Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. A quick little update today for Verasity for you. As always, thank you very much for watching, really appreciate the support. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, we shall have a quick look at Verasity. As we can see, another successful trade on the channel. I call these trades in every single video. Pretty much every single trade that I take on these cryptos I will be saying in the video, and as you can see, another successful trade here on Verasity. I did say once we came down again to retest this low here of this descending wedge. As you can see, we've been heading down for quite some time in it now. We came down and retested around that 4th of a cent level. You can see we had that big plunge here. We tried to come down, we closed a bit lower here, but we've got some clear bullish divergences over the past month or so. The volume is really low, the interest is really low, and I'm thinking this is definitely going to bounce. Like, it's at least going to bounce back up to the 0.23. And as you can see, I took my long position pretty much exactly at the low here, and we pretty much in a week ran straight up into profit, and I got filled. I actually had my take profit on exactly on that 0.23 Fibonacci level there, so I did actually get filled on this trade. A very nice simple trade, basically just bought at support here with the bullish divergence off the low. Looking at the hourly time frame as well, you can see pretty much we came down here, big plunge to the downside, came down for the back test, pretty much got that perfect retest of that low. And then once I saw this, you know, basically we weren't plunging any lower here, and you can also see on the RSI here a very clear bullish divergence in that local time frame as well. We tried to close a little bit lower here, but clearly getting, you know, a nice bounce in this area. A few little bullish engulfing candles later at this low, and I'm thinking, yeah, this is definitely going to bounce. I took my long position about here. As you can see, it came up here into the previous swing low support as resistance. We came down and back tested, and then you can see here a clear run all the way up to the next resistance, which is that 0.23 where I got filled on my trade. So a very simple trade for me there. Bagged myself a nice little bit of profit there. Really quite simple, to be honest, just buying at support. You can see obviously the exhaustion to the downside that we did see, and I do think, you know, right now we are seeing Verasity at the middle, pretty much the exact middle point of this descending wedge here, and I'm just going to wait and see what happens. Will we get rejected at the 0.23 and come back down and retest again, or will we break through and head up for a full retest of the high? Who could say? It's hard to know, isn't it? But right now we are basically looking at potentially a nice little bit of movement in the markets. Obviously Bitcoin having a nice bounce off of that very clear previous swing high resistance as support for it, just heading up in a very nice little bullish momentum for Bitcoin over the past week or so, after retesting that low, that previous swing high, sorry, and now basically just waiting to see what happens next for Verasity. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Please tune in every day, as I will be posting these videos daily, and without further ado, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.